Did you know you can make $800 by using this method? Well, in this video, I will reveal you all the secrets to making money online by just using this method. You can do this without any investment, without any experience, and from anywhere in the entire world. All you need is an internet connection, a laptop, and just a few hours a day. Make sure you stick until the end of the video as I reveal how to become the top earner using this method. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is basically go over to Google and type in Google News, and it will take you to this place just here. It's quite easy to get to, and this is basically all types of articles on all sorts of different stories to do with health, science, sports, entertainment, technology, business, local news, world, and the country you live in. So there's multiple stories out here. There's no shortage of actual news which you can get a hold of. This is the most popular different topics of the news. So you can just scroll down and have a look at the different news, but the first thing you want to do is basically pick one of these, and for instance, I'm just going to pick health. So if we go over to here, there are multiple different articles on health. So for instance, this one, how can you tell the difference between a super cold and COVID-19? So if you just click on that and then you go over to it and you're on the article here, if you just copy and paste all of the text in the article, as there is quite a bit of text, if you just go here and you copy and paste the text of the article and then you head over to a website called spinbot.com. This website is completely for free. You don't need to put any money into it. You don't even need to sign up to actually use it. There's no sign up fee. There's absolutely nothing. So just head over to the website called spinbot.com, and basically it's an intelligent free text rewriting tool. So basically what it does is it rewrites the text in other words for you, so it's not exactly the same. So basically if you put in hi, my name's whatever, it will basically come out in with different words because it's an intelligence free text rewriting tool. And basically this is the game changer, actually how to earn money completely for free by using this method. So head over to spinbot.com and then paste in the article which you've just got, and all you want to do is click spin it, and it will say puzzle me this, and you just want to slide away and click OK. And it will basically spin the article like so. Very easy, super duper easy, just like that, you know, with the text length being 1279, so it can definitely increase words or decrease words depending on how the AI technology at spinbot.com works. But then what you want to do to actually make money is head over to the free websites which I'm going to show you. So the first website is a website called textbroker.com. And, you know, ready for enthusiastic users. You know, we deliver the right content. TextBroker is a proven platform to outsource your content creation quickly and easily. Always get the exact content you're needed, and you can sign up completely for free, no money required. But basically they are looking for writers to create content, and you can do that. So, you know, you can get content quickly on any topic in bulk. You can do it in bulk orders, you can do all sorts, and you know they work with 80,000 satisfied clients all around the world, 10 million content orders via the platform. You know, there's a massive market on this website, and all you can do is sign up, and you can use this website to earn money by just sending articles over, and you can earn a lot of money. So the second website is a website called iWriter.com. So you just want to head over to iWriter.com and you can sign up, very easy, and basically they'll write any custom content that includes articles, rewrites, blog posts, product descriptions, and more. How does it work? You know, you register for a free account which is completely for free on iWriter.com. Very easy to do. Request the type of content you would like, receive your content, review your content, approve or reject it, download your content, and rinse and repeat. And you can become, you know, different types of writing tiers: standard, premium, elite, and elite plus, you know, shown from certain prolific writers and highest rated iWriters on the website. And remember, this is all completely for free. It doesn't take any money needed. There's no, you know, you don't need to add any money. But anyway, if we go to pricing, you can look at how much they pay. You know, in standard 150 words, $1.40, but then in elite plus for 150 words, that's $13. For the article which we done, which is 1,000 words, that is $72. On standard it's 8, but you can definitely go through the ranks shown from here depending on how well you do, how many reviews you get. You know, you could be doing 6,000 words for $435 if you're in the Elite Plus, which you can definitely get to, but that's the pricing of it. You know, it's a free website, completely for free. So if you just head over to iWriter.com, you can literally, you know, build your own client base, earn up to $80 per 500 words once you promote up the ranks. Write as much as little as you want each day. Choose the topics that best match your background and start earning money completely for free. If you're excited to learn the final way to earn money through this awesome method, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And the last website, last but not least, is scripted.com. So you can hire freelance writers to power your content marketing, work with professional copywriters in your industry, and start growing your business with exceptional website copy, blogs, digital marketing, and sales copies, and more. And you know, they have over 200,000 content orders, 150,000 writers have applied, and they have 50,000 customers. And you can do the same, you know, from blog posts to press release to web pages. You're going to be focusing on mainly web pages, but you can do all sorts, from newsletters to social media posts, video script, transcriptions, you name it, you can do it. You know, you join the script, describe your content, find your freelancer, receive your first draft, and start earning money. You know, there's quotes from people who have worked with them, and you can literally go to this website, scripted.com, you know, sign up and start making money completely for free. No added costs, completely for free on scripted.com. And you know, competitive pay, they've made over 1 million in 2020 with competitive pay and writer rewards that rival any writing platform there is. Scripted has 37 different industries, so you can find work within the expertise for small businesses, large corporations, and for perfect clients for building long-term relationships. And you know, you can build your portfolio, work anywhere, payment and project management, so you can get paid wherever you are in the world. It doesn't matter because it's worldwide, and you can literally get paid for free by just writing, and it's completely for free. So just head over to scripted.com and become a script writer, you know, using the same thing. All you want to do, find the article, boom, copy and paste the article from Google News, and you can literally go to these websites which are shown in this video and make money. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you did get value, smash a like and earn some money. Peace.